So welcome to Club Laiya, Sir Alan. Ang kagandahan dito kasi hindi ka nalalayo.
Oo nga, ang ganda dito, ma'am.
Restaurant sa taas.
So anong restaurant to, ma'am?
This is Sans Resto. Perfect yung bulalo nila dito. Bulasing. Bulalong sinigang.
So and then dito, ma'am, you have the swimming pool already pala dito,
right,
no?
this is the infinity pool and we have this cocoons. This is perfect for overnight accommodation para kung galing kang Manila at ayaw mo nang bumalik, no, mag-drive all the way home, you can stay at our cocoons. This is good for two adults and one kid.
Sige, ma'am. So let's go sa beach and kung ano ba yung niya, kumbaga color. I believe it's an ivory white meron siya, no? So, tara, puntahan natin, ma'am.
Sir, this is the location, exact location of the Spinnaker Beachfront Condominium.
So ito na mismo yung mga nasa color blue fence, no, ma'am?
Right,
So they are now starting to construct the yung sa foundation, no?
We finished already the stockpiling drive, so you see the quality of the building in the future. So right now it's the
Can we go inside ba?
We'll
For
check,
a little...
sir, if it will be allowed because the construction is ongoing.
Yeah. Kumbaga ano lang, silip lang kung pwede, ma'am. So yung sa front niya pala, it's developed na din, no, ma'am?
Yes.
You have already
this is the rib shack Captain Barboza. Perfect yung kanilang ribs dito.
Oh, must try pag next visit natin. I really like the theme na meron tayo. It's sail to your new home. See? It's sail to your new home. Ang
That's
ganda
the
lang.
tagline.
The tagline of the Spinnaker, no? Sail to your new home. Galing.
Imagine ho ninyo, you just go out of your unit, go to the ground level. That's literally beachfront. That's the camper van, sir, the camperisti.
Oo.
This is the front of the building.
Wow, ang ganda ng ano.
Tapos dito, sir, yung pinaka-reception niya, yung entrance.
Oo.
Diyan
So,
siya papasok.
that's the mountain you are mentioning.
That's the mount.
So ito yung sinasabi niyo naman din na pwedeng, ito ba yun, ma'am?
That's the camper van. Yes, camperisti.
Oo.
Punta tayo dyan, ma'am.
Oh, sige. So, yun, dyan pwedeng mag-check-in din.
Yes.
Oh.
That's open for everybody. So imagine ho ninyo, if you have your own unit at the Spinnaker at i-enroll mo sa property management, income opportunity because the traffic here in San Juan, especially pag summer, talagang madaming pumupunta. Well, to give you an example, as of last year, we recorded almost 2 million guests alone. Last year lang ho yan, dito sa San Juan, Batangas. 4 na lang yung natira dito.
So this is the commercial na, no,
This is the commercial. Tapos sa kabilang side, yun yung premier district.
Okay. Na may mga available pa din tayo.
Correct.
So dito sa beach pala natin, ma'am. So kung mapapansin natin, ayan, it's ivory white sand.
Right.
No? So parang natural talaga and parang nasa Boracay ka na din pala dito, no?
Yes.
And yun nga, if you could also notice, no, yung sa water natin is very calm lang din,
Very calm. You see the color of it.
Oo nga.
Blue
Na may green and something na, ma'am.
Yes, kalma lang ho dito sa Playa Laiya, San Juan, Batangas, no? And there's no threat of tsunami. This West Philippine Sea, may mga island before here.
And wala ding mga ang tawag dito, yung mga oil spill, no?
Walang oil spill kasi walang mga industrial plants along the area, as you can see. Naka-cove po tayo, kaya malinis ho ang tubig. You have a lot of activities that you can enjoy here aside from the water sports activities. You can rent jet ski, mag-kayak po kayo dyan, pwede mag-fly fish, banana boat, and you can rent a boat, go on a snorkeling. Enjoy! That's the lifestyle here in San Juan.
So talagang it's one of the tourist destination na kapag talaga mag-i-invest ka dito, talagang marami kang mga possible na mga guests or tenants, no, ma'am?
So the lifestyle and experience naman in ma-enjoy mo rito sa Playa Lake.
And kung napansin nyo, no, ma'am, as you could see, yung breeze niya, yung wind,
Yes.
sobrang presko talaga.
Correct. And the health benefits living near the beach.
Oh, kasi I believe scientifically basis, no, may effect yung kapag maganda yung environment mo, no, ma'am.
Yes po. Nature.
Okay, next.
So paglabas mo ng bahay, you can go to the beach, holding hands while walking with your loved one.
Ay, wow.
Pwede kang mag-fishing. So yung nabingwit mo, you can bring it at home and then ihawin, di ba?
Oo nga. So napakaganda talaga dito, no, ma'am. And we want any more like magsa-sales stock pa tayo, but the property itself will speak
To it. Tara na ho dito sa San Juan, Batangas. Get in touch with Sir Alan Marquez right now.
Yes, ayun. So, na-visualize nyo na ba or dreaming like living here in San Juan, Batangas, here in Laiya? So, if you really want to acquire properties in front of the beach, feel free to message us. Again, I am Alan Marquez, your licensed real estate broker and licensed real estate appraiser. We're more than happy to help you. And of course, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification button so that you will be notified once we release new uploaded videos or real estate market trends. Okay, bye for now!